Imagine living in a private jungle villa with your own infinity pool, a personal driver on call, and world-class dining every single night, all for less than the cost of a basic weekend getaway in most major cities. There is a common misconception that Bali has either become too expensive or too crowded to enjoy. But it is entirely possible to spend 5 days in paradise living in absolute luxury for a total of $400. This isn't about cutting corners. It's about knowing which local gems provide that high-end feel for a fraction of the typical tourist price. The journey typically begins in the lush highlands of Ubud, the cultural heart of the island. While many travelers overpay for airport taxis, the most cost-effective way to start is by pre-arranging a private driver for a full 10-hour day, which currently averages about $40. For accommodation, places like Hidden Den Villa or Sweet Orange Pondok offer stunning private villa experiences for around $50 a night, often featuring that iconic open-air Balinese architecture. After checking in, heading to a legendary local spot like Warung Bia Bia or Sun Sun Warung allows for a world-class nasi camper for just $3. A professional massage at a local spa like Putri Ubud Spa can be found for as little as $7 to $10. Even with the airport transfer, the first day is a masterclass in budget luxury. By day 2, the focus shifts to the dramatic landscapes of central Bali. Starting the morning at the Tagalaleng rice terraces at 7 a.m. allows for an incredible experience with almost no crowds for an entrance fee of roughly $2. Having a private driver means avoiding the rigid schedules of tour buses, allowing for a detour to the Kanto Lampo waterfall, where the entry is just $1.50. For lunch, Compound Warung is a hidden gem in central Ubud, where a gourmet Indonesian meal costs about $4. In the evening, the digital nomad lifestyle can be found at Clear Cafe, where a high-end smoothie bowl and specialty coffee rarely exceed $8. By alternating between authentic local warungs and these bohemian cafes, the budget remains incredibly flexible. To make planning a trip like this much easier, please check the description below for everything needed to put together the perfect itinerary. There are links to all the accommodation and activities mentioned in this video to make it easier for you. There is also a link to a completely free travel planner. This is a full, downloadable guide and budgeting tool available for free to help organize an Indonesian escape without any of the stress. On day 3, the itinerary moves toward the dramatic cliffs of Uluwatu. A private driver can navigate the winding roads to the Uluwatu temple, where the entrance is about $4. To experience a world-class beach club without the high price tag, Ulu Cliff House often offers free entry with no minimum spend on weekdays if you're just looking for a poolside spot. For a more active day, Single Fin offers iconic cliffside views for the price of a single $6 cocktail. The day can be topped off with the famous Kikak fire dance at the temple's amphitheater. Tickets are around $10 and provide a sunset view that is genuinely priceless. Even with a splurge lunch, the day remains well under the $80 daily target. Day 4 is dedicated to the islands, specifically a trip from Sanur to Nusa Penida. Using a fast boat operator like Axstone Fast Cruise or the Ankol, a round-trip ticket can be secured for approximately $20 to $25. Once on the island, the famous Kelling Beach, the T-Rex Cliff, and Broken Beach are the main highlights. While many book $100 all-inclusive tours, booking the ferry independently and hiring a local driver on the island keeps costs low. After returning to the mainland, the evening is best spent at Jimbaran Bay. At Warung Ramayana, a fresh seafood feast eaten with your toes in the sand costs around $15, a fraction of what the larger hotel-style restaurants charge. By day 5, it is time for relaxation and final indulgences. The morning is perfect for visiting the Ubud Art Market for handmade linens and jewelry. Many villas, like Madara Ubud Villas, can arrange a floating breakfast for around $15 to $20, a quintessential Bali luxury. The final afternoon is best spent at a high-end spa like Karsa Spa on the Kampahan Ridge, where a luxury treatment averages $20. When totaling the private villa, the dedicated driver, the gourmet meals, and the various excursions, the final amount consistently lands right around the $400 mark. It is definitive proof that high-end travel is accessible to anyone who knows exactly where to go. If this breakdown helped show how affordable a dream trip can truly be, please like this video and share it with a travel partner. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time a new video is released. There are constantly new travel hacks and budget luxury destinations to explore, so don't miss out on the next guide.